Welcome back to Automobiles. Today, we're diving into the fascinating details of the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia Type 34, a bold return of a true classic with a modern twist. If you're someone who appreciates a blend of retro design and contemporary performance, this car is going to capture your attention from the very first glance. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Karmann Ghia Type 34 maintains its iconic coupe silhouette that made it a standout decades ago. Volkswagen has retained the signature low stance and curved body lines, but has enhanced them with sharper edges and a slightly wider frame to give it a more muscular look. The LED headlamps are slim, sleek, and seamlessly integrated into the front end, merging vintage inspiration with modern lighting technology. The front grille has been kept minimal, staying true to the original's clean design language, but with updated aerodynamics for better efficiency. Chrome accents run subtly around the windows and lower body, adding a premium, nostalgic touch without overwhelming the clean design. The wheels, standard 19-inch alloys, feature a turbine-inspired design that pays tribute to classic wheel styles while enhancing airflow and performance. Overall, the exterior of the 2026 Karmann Ghia is a perfect fusion of retro charm and present-day flair. Moving briefly to the interior, Volkswagen has focused on keeping things driver-focused yet elegantly minimal. You'll find a mix of leather and soft-touch materials throughout the cabin, along with a floating 11-inch infotainment display that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The dashboard is clean, with horizontal lines that widen the sense of space inside. The digital instrument cluster is customizable and sharp, giving you all necessary data at a glance. Although the Type 34 still follows a 2+2 coupe layout, the rear seats are more practical than before, best for short trips or extra cargo. Front seating, however, is very comfortable, with heated and ventilated options standard even on the base model. When it comes to pricing, Volkswagen has positioned the 2026 Karmann Ghia Type 34 as a premium coupe. The base model starts at around $44,000, with the fully loaded version reaching close to $52,000. For a stylish, retro-inspired coupe, packed with the latest tech and performance features, this pricing keeps it competitive with other European offerings while offering unique design heritage that rivals can't match. Now, speaking of performance, the new Type 34 doesn't disappoint. Under the hood is a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine, producing 280 horsepower and 310 lb-ft of torque, paired with a 7-speed DSG dual-clutch transmission. The car offers both front-wheel drive and an optional all-wheel drive system. Acceleration is quick, with 0 to 60 mph coming in just under 5.5 seconds. Suspension tuning leans towards a sporty but comfortable ride, making it ideal for both city cruising and spirited weekend drives. The steering is sharp and responsive, giving the driver a strong sense of control and connection to the road. That's our take on the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia Type 34. A stylish reboot with enough performance and modern features to stand out in today's market. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Automobiles for more unique car content, and taps the bell so you never miss an update.